India reported 23,950 new COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally of coronavirus cases in the country to well over 1 crore. Karnataka government on Wednesday imposed a night curfew in the state. Beginning today, the curfew will remain in place from 10 pm till 6 am till January 2nd. On Wednesday, the Maharashtra government permitted water sports, amusement parks, and indoor entertainment activities to resume in the state. It also allowed reopening of tourist places outside containment zones. Ahmedabad district and corporation officials have registered more than 7 lakh people across Ahmedabad city and rural areas during a month-long survey to identify the high-risk population for vaccination against COVID-19. Acclaimed Malayalam poet and environmental activist Sugatha Kumari passed away on Wednesday following COVID-19 complications. More than 78 million people have been infected by COVID-19 worldwide, while the death toll currently stands at well over 1.7 million. Chilean authorities announced that 58 people that were at 2 military bases in Antarctica or on a Navy ship that went to the continent tested positive for coronavirus. A coronavirus vaccine candidate developed by the Chinese Academy of Sciences was found to be safe and triggered immune responses in early and mid-stage trials, according to researchers. The British government will review whether it needs to impose its strictest COVID-19 restrictions on more of the country on Wednesday as a highly infectious variant continues to spread, but will not change Christmas rules, according to a minister. Malaysia is in talks to buy 6.4 million doses of Russia's COVID-19 vaccine and wants to increase its purchases from US drug maker Pfizer-BioNTech as the country looks to beef up its arsenal against the pandemic.